What is poppin'? What's going on? My name is Ryan McMorris, and welcome to the Riches Are in the Niches workshop. I'm really excited that you're here. I'm so grateful that you are spending your hard-earned time with us because it's very valuable, and we respect that, and we are excited to literally unveil everything that has worked for us inside of our online business and what works for our clients and many of our businesses, so we can help you move forward faster. All right, I'm really excited for you to be here, and over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to explain how the next 3 days is going to go, and I'm going to explain how the next 12 months is going to go for your life and your business, because you are now on your 7-figure journey with us. All right. So first of all, I just want to say I'm grateful for you. I'm excited for you. Commit to this workshop, because by the end of this workshop, you are going to be so clear on who you serve. You're going to get so clear on your message. You're going to get so clear on how you can make a lot of money and make a huge impact in your community. All right. So I'm excited for you. I'm going to share my screen with you so we can go over what this workshop is going to be like. All right. This is your roadmap to a 7-figure online business. All right. So I'm asking you to follow along and stick with us. Ask questions throughout. Post in the Facebook group. Let us know how we can help, because if you don't ask, then we may not, we can't help you as much. Okay. So make sure that you participate, that you're involved. All right. A confused mind never buys. Okay. We all know that, right? You've probably heard that before. If you haven't, I want to drill it in your head right now. A confused mind never buys. All right. This workshop is the one thing that most gurus skip. They teach you all the cool stuff that's fun and sexy, but when it isn't working for you, you don't know where to turn. Okay. This workshop is the workshop that fixes everything. I'm talking like any training that you've ever been through, any course or book or event that you've ever gone to that you thought like really didn't work for you. This is the thing that is going to reveal why those things haven't worked up to this point. Okay. So this can be the turning point that can literally like spark any other investment that you've ever done in your life. Okay. We promise to keep it simple. All right. After coaching, literally we've coached hundreds, thousands of entrepreneurs, and this is the thing that is a huge turning point. Okay. If you want to make 6 figures, multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, this game is more about science than it is art. Okay. There's systems involved. And once you get that, I'm telling you, everything will get easier. Okay. The 3 systems that we focus on are offer, traffic, or launching, and scale. Okay, you're gonna see that a lot. Right? Most entrepreneurs think that traffic is gonna solve their problem, but unless you have a really solid offer, like you're really not driving. What you drive traffic to is nothing. Okay, you want to scale your business, but if you don't have an offer or you don't have traffic, you got nothing to scale. Okay, so again, we must have our irresistible offer first, and then we can launch that offer, okay, and create a big spike, and then we can create a traffic strategy. And when we do that, that's where we can start adding things to our business model, create an actual business plan that is scalable, that helps you win back your time. All right, over the next 3 days, we're going to uncover all the hidden gems to finding and attracting your micro niche. Okay. Guys, a lot of us, we haven't niched down yet, and we aren't getting clear. When you niche down, it makes you get clear. When you get clear, people spend money and you can help people, and it's a big domino. Okay, guys, we've been doing this since 2015. Our business, our life has evolved, and our goal is to help 10 entrepreneurs hit 7 figures a year. Okay, that's $83,000 a month. And you may not be one of those people that we help hit 7 figures this year, but I guarantee if you follow along, you'll likely hit 6 or even multiple 6 figures in your business by following these steps. Okay. Over the next 3 days, we're going to unveil everything you need to understand to attract your micro niche that's looking to pay you today. All right. These are people that don't give you excuses. They don't give you the BS. They aren't going to give you the runaround. All right. These are people that are actively looking for you right now. Okay. But the reason that most of us are missing sales today is because we're not getting clear. We're confusing people. Our message is just kind of off. And trust me, I've been there. We're still there sometimes where we have to get our message really, really clear. We're going to show you how we do that. We're going to show you how it's done. Okay. So give us 3 days. Okay. By the end of this workshop, I want you to commit to this workshop because we are committed to you throughout this workshop. Okay. We're going to break this thing down so you can actually apply it in your business and have an understanding like you've never seen it before. A lot of people, if you've never worked with us before, never had any of our trainings or calls or anything like that, I want you to understand 9 out of 10 people walk away from our coachings and our trainings with more clarity. They feel like, man, I've never heard it before. Guys, I'm not the smartest guy on the planet. All right, I'll claim it. And so this stuff, I had to simplify it in my mind so well that I can simplify it for you. Okay. So I'm going to help you get rid of all that frustration, overwhelm, all the complicated techniques, because simple works, simple sells. All right. We're here to help you win. All right. So post your questions, connect inside the group, show up at the times. We have a schedule below inside of the workbook. So print off the workbook, post your questions in the group, show up, engage. All right. We always give away prizes and stuff for the most engaged people throughout this workshop. And I'm just telling you, just commit. All right. I'm telling you, you'll see all these people and they'll show up on day 1. Okay. And then you won't see them on day 3. You won't see them after. Commit. All right. You got to commit. And again, we're here to teach you the 20% that's going to give you 80% of the results. Okay. You're going to end up being super efficient with your energy, your focus, and your effort. Right? Many times when people talk about niches and avatars, they just make it super complicated. And we've broken this thing down so you can take the actual steps that are necessary, okay, to build a 6 or 7 figure business. All right. Again, I'm telling you, all the stuff that you heard about avatars, it is helpful, but a lot of times we're just skipping steps. So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to make a clear path to the sale. All right. Here is the schedule for the upcoming one. We do this 3-day workshop, so there is a schedule on the workbook. And if you're ready to get started, let's get started. All right. I want to see you posting. I want you to let go of your fears. I want you to become a new person through this workshop. And we are committed to you. So I hope you're committed to yourself throughout this workshop. All right. Guys, we're going to be diving in to your skill set, your mastery, and how you can use that online to attract new people to you. We're going to show you how to craft a message for your ideal audience. And then we're going to show you how to put that all together so you can create an irresistible offer that you can actually drive traffic to. All right. We're going to give you the clear 12-month game plan for you to hit 6 figures, multiple 6 figures or 7 figures in your business. So if you're pumped up, all right, let's hear from you. Get excited, embrace the excitement, and let that excitement be the catalyst for how your business is about to change and how your life is about to change. We'll see you in the workshop. Let's go.